Well, hello there, it's Mega, aka the Art Messiah, here to save you from your art sins. Today we are going to be exploring the app and website VIZ Media. So, I've wanted to make this video for about a week or two now, because I was about to get a subscription for the VIZ Media website because they are running a deal that's $2 a month. That's right, $2 a month to have access to Shonen Jump and a lot of different manga series and backlogs of them. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so just logging in and not purchasing anything yet. VIZ Media Shonen Jump offers the latest free chapters of some of the most popular manga out there, including One Punch Man, One Piece, Demon Slayer, My Hero Academia. Oh my goodness, these are literally all series that I'm currently keeping up with, and all of them free to read. Let's just go ahead and click on one of these and see what we got. They actually have, looks like, three chapters free, three of the previous chapters free to read, and that's incredible, guys. These are official translations, so let's go ahead and see what else we can get by actually signing up for the membership. Alright, so I just signed up. It was very easy, very quick. Now, one thing I want to point out is that they give you 7 days free. That's right, 7 days free, so you can just try it out and see it. And if it's not something you are going to be using and you don't think, you think $2 is too much, but come on, $2 a month is super cheap. You can do a 7-day trial and just try it out, see if you like it, see if you can find the titles that you want to read. But let's go ahead and check this out. Let's click on one of my favorite series. Let's go ahead and look at One Piece and check this out. They have the entire backlog of all the One Piece chapters. I can read starting from chapter 1. Guys, that is over, getting close to 1,000 chapters of One Piece, and that's only for $2 a month. And look at this. This is for all these different series. So the reason that I decided to go ahead and get this subscription, I used to read a lot of manga on just like other third-party sites, like pirated sites, and a lot of fan translations and stuff. But especially now that I'm like working and I really appreciate artists' hard work, I really want to support Shonen Jump because they've created series that have had such an impact on my life and my art career. So I honestly just want to show some support, so hopefully you guys feel the same way, especially at $2 a month. That's freaking incredible. So check it out if you have not already. I think that's going to be it for this video. Maybe I'll come back with another video talking about some of my favorite manga and anime, but just wanted to make a quick video showing showing this. And they also have a corresponding app, so you can read all this stuff on the go as well. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I can't wait to kind of catch up on some manga that I started when I was younger and keep up with the ones that I am currently on. So until next time, hopefully you guys have fun with this one, and peace.